Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back, everyone. If you've been wanting to bring some clarity and order to your digital life, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create your own organized Notion dashboard using a free, simple Notion dashboard template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized dashboard that looks professional, works smoothly, and gives you control over your tasks, ideas, and creative projects, all in one spot. All right, let's jump straight in. The beauty of using a template is that most of the heavy lifting is already done for you, so you don't have to start from scratch or get bogged down with design choices. First, head over to Notion and open your Workspace. You'll notice, up at the top left corner, a little drop-down menu. This is your gateway to more options. Give that a click. It's a small step, but it unlocks a lot of possibilities. From here, look for the Browse Templates option. This section houses a collection of layouts and setups made by both Notion and the community. Think of it like shopping for an organizational system that fits your needs, but everything's free. You'll see categories ranging from task managers to creative planners. In the search bar, type Dashboard. Take a moment to scroll through the choices. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick at first. You're looking for something called Simple Notion Dashboard, which is designed for quick setup and easy use. If another design catches your eye, feel free to check it out. The best part about Notion is how flexible it is. Templates just provide a polished starting point. Once you've found the dashboard template you like, select it and look for the Add button. Click that, and the template will be loaded into your workspace as a new page. It may take a few seconds for everything to show up, especially if your internet is moving slowly, but hang tight. Now, you're looking at your fresh dashboard, complete with a clean, professional layout. It's already organized into sections like tasks, notes, goals, and more, so you don't have to build these blocks yourself. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your dashboard. Templates are really just a skeleton. You get to flesh it out and make it truly your own. Start by filling in your own credentials, project names, or daily tasks into the relevant sections. For example, if you're a student, you might add your courses and assignment deadlines. If you're a creative professional, go ahead and create a section for your upcoming shoots, designs, or writing projects. Notion lets you easily drag and drop items, edit text, and move blocks around. If you want to tweak the look, maybe change the colors, add your favorite emoji, or insert inspirational images, just click into any block and use the customization options. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming. Take your time and experiment. The more you play with these features, the more you'll discover how much you can tailor Notion to your workflow. And there you have it, a fully functional, personalized Notion dashboard set up in just a few minutes. This new home base is ready to keep you on track and help you focus, whether it's for school, work, or everyday life. Remember, the dashboard you create today is just the beginning. You can always go back and add more sections or change things up as your needs evolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button to let me know. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or tips you found helpful. And if you're hungry for more practical Notion tricks and organizational guides, subscribe for new videos every week. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay organized and inspired.